Hello everybody, you thought you were the only one doing videos, then it's my turn. The Empire Strike Back. But seriously, I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. It was really good to see you all yesterday in the restaurant or through the messages. It was an amazing surprise. I didn't really see it coming, so well done guys, kudos. Thank you for being there physically at the restaurant or remotely through your messages. Thank you for your time. I often say it's the most precious gift that we can give. This is the only thing we cannot buy on this planet. So thank you for giving a little bit of your time yesterday and the weeks before, for all the preparation. Thank you for your presence, for your smiles and your laughters. And I will always remember this birthday celebration thanks to you. First, let me say a big thank you to my beautiful and amazing wife, Jaya, the love of my life. A big thank you to Jaya's family, who has always welcomed me with open arms. So, a big thank you to Mom, Elaunaru Ataikaru. Thank you for your message, much appreciated. Thank you Shri and Raji as well for the message. Love you guys. Thank you Naveen, thank you Sudha, Purvi and Pratik for your message and everything that you've done since we've known each other. Thank you to the amazing Vani and Samir. I hope next year we'll celebrate my birthday in Paris all together. A big thanks to all my friends. Thank you Dimple, thank you Ruby, and thank you to the kids, big kiss to the kids. Thank you Ahnik, Sunil and Dina. It was good to meet up again. Thank you for being there yesterday. Thank you Sandeep. We'll definitely meet up in Australia. Hopefully soon enough. Thank you Mpolo for your message. Thank you, much appreciated. Thank you Ahna, thank you Bavitra and Dev. It was really lovely to see you in Paris and to have you around. And by the way, Ahna, I love the energy, so please don't change. Like this is an energizer. It's just hearing you give me strength to start the day. Thank you Swati for your kind message. Really appreciate it. I only heard good things about you, so hopefully next time Jay and we travel to Bangalore, we'll meet up. Thank you to the Every Young Men Club, Chetan, Arjun and Ashish. Thank you for your time, thank you for your presence, and thank you for your message. And apologies if I missed someone, but a big thank you to you all. And a big thank you for the lychee kitty, much appreciated. As you can see, I'm already wearing the jersey, so I'm ready for my next NBA game in person. Thank you everybody, much love, and talk to you soon.